Bob has been a broker for over 30 years. Has served the Katy, Richmond, and all West Houston areas since 1976. His extensive knowledge of the market trends make him an expert. If you are looking for experience and knowledge, call Broker Bob. Welcome, it feels like home. Beautiful 1-story 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with an open floor plan. Hardwood floors and carpet in living and bedrooms. Versatile flex room perfect for a dining room or at home office. Kitchen opens to spacious living room and has high breakfast bar. Large master bedroom split from other bedrooms. Master bath has walk-in shower, double sinks, and double closets. Good-sized secondary bedrooms. Large backyard and oversized back patio, great for entertaining friends and family. Schedule your appointment today.